Hi my loves, welcome to my channel and welcome if you are new. I am super excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful marble. I am obsessed, and it was honestly the easiest marble I've ever done in my life. I love marble. I've been doing marble for a long time, but this one was so easy. Literally, like, this whole hand right here took me 7 minutes. So yeah, it was super quick, super easy, and they're beautiful. And I decided to go with browns so that I can do more of like a fall theme. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm using this color Nude Beach for the base. And I'm just going to go in with 3 coats like normal. I typically do 3 coats per set depending on, if it's just going to be standard or if I'm encapsulating. That just all depends. But yes, so I'm going in with 3 coats of Nude Beach, and then I will be back to show you the marble process. Okay, so this is just the first coat I'm gonna cure, and I am back. All done, 3 coats on each set of nails that I have right here. This is what it is looking like, and then I have the 3 colors that I will be using for marble, and we're also going to be using the blooming gel to get that beautiful effect, which I do have a couple tips for blooming gel as we get a little bit further in, because I want to show you specifically. But first, I'm just going to go in really quick with this blooming gel. I'm going to speed it up as always because polish is not always the funnest. We want to get to the art, right? So I'm going to speed up really quick. I'm going to let you guys just watch. I'm going to put on the blooming gel really fast, and then I will show you guys how I'm going to get ready for the marble. Okay, so now that we have our blooming gel applied, we're not going to cure it. So just set them down, leave them. And so one first tip with the blooming gel is try to apply your coat as thin as possible, because I've had instances where you apply it a little bit thick and it either crinkles the polish when you cure, or it falls off to the side because it is a thicker gel. So yeah, as thin as possible. The first color that I laid down up there was Nude Beach, the same color that we used on the base color. I just think it gives it a really cool effect when you're doing marble, is if you use the same base color, because then you wonder how the colors are intertwined. It just looks really cool. So that's another little tip for this marble set that I am doing. And then I used just a pure white, and then I used a dark brown, which from IGel Beauty, it's called Camping Under the Stars. I will have them all linked down below so that you guys can go ahead and grab those, or you can just grab whatever nude you're using, a white and then a dark brown, or any color that you want, really. I actually have this amethyst set that I'm thinking about. It will not leave my mind, so I'm going to be making that for tomorrow's tutorial, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, so now that I'm ready for marble, I'm just checking the sides of the blooming gel just to make sure that it didn't go over the sides too much, which it didn't. I'm just cleaning it up so that way we can have some nice clean nails. So now we are ready for marble. I'm just going to really just slide the gel onto the brush, and then what you want to do is float the polish onto the nail. You don't want to press it in, because then you're going to have that blooming gel kind of moving all over. You want to just float it on top, and then you can grab as much gel as you want, or I didn't feel like there was enough brown, so I'm trying to I could have just went to the brown instead and then marbled it. But yeah, so I'm just going in and just literally floating the gel onto the blooming gel. And then if you are with me right now and you see that I'm doing the middle nail, look at the thumb and just watch it, how it blooms. This is my second tip for blooming gel, is to let it bloom. Give it time to bloom. I think when I first started doing marble with blooming gel, I didn't give it the time to really bloom, so it never looked how I wanted. Like if you look at this pinky now that I'm working on it, it's gonna start blooming and it's gonna kind of like go all over the nail, and all the colors just kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but they like marble into each other. And if you can see, we're just gonna watch that blooming gel bloom. And if you want to go all the way back to when I first did the thumbnail and compare the end result to the first part, just know that you can let the blooming gel sit so that it has time. So now I'm happy with the marble on all of the nails. I love it. I went ahead and cured it, and now we're gonna go in with our top coat, and that's it, you guys. We're already done with the set. Like, how easy was that? If you guys have any combos that you want me to do, let me know. I'm definitely going to be doing an amethyst one next, and I'm going to be going off of the amethyst crystal. So that's going to be super, super fun, and it's going to be in one of my new mini tutorials starting tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I was able to teach you something. I hope that marble comes as easy as possible for you, and I hope you guys recreate something or even do this marble technique and show me, please, because I really like to see what you guys are doing, and if anything that I am showing you guys is helping you guys, let me know. I love that so much. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with that amethyst set. Bye guys, thank you.